How to order TPU patches. Start by visiting tpupatches.co.uk and open Buy TPU Transfers. Choose breast/sleeve logos for designs up to 10 centimeters or chest/back prints for designs above 10 centimeters. We'll begin with the breast/sleeve logo builder. Click the yellow Upload Logo by Size button, then upload your artwork. Choose your required size using the menu on the right. Next, select the cut shape. Die cut follows the general shape of your artwork, while rectangle, ellipse, circle, and rounded options create a fixed outer shape. The preview is a visual guide only. Some artwork may be adjusted slightly during production to create the cleanest cut. Use the margin slider to control the approximate space between your artwork and the cut line. Change the background color to help visualize your design. Use Remove Background if your image has an unwanted background. Show Artboard Outline displays the full available design area at your selected size. Show Image Outline displays a rough preview of the expected die cut line. On the left, saturation controls how strong or muted the colors appear. Contrast changes the difference between light and dark areas. Brightness makes the whole image lighter or darker. You can also add custom text directly inside the builder. When your design is ready, enter the quantity required and click Save and Add to Cart. Use the notes box to tell us which areas you want raised, glossy, or produced at different thickness levels. You can also leave this blank and allow our design team to choose the most suitable finish. Read the artwork confirmation, tick the box, and continue. Now return to Buy TPU Transfers and select chest/back prints for designs above 10 centimeters. Click the yellow Upload button and add your artwork. The Remove Background tool isolates the main design by removing the existing background. The Upscale tool can improve the resolution of smaller artwork, although it cannot restore detail missing from a heavily blurred image. The Halftone tool converts gradients and shaded areas into a pattern of dots. Use Crop to remove unwanted space around the design. The Colors tool allows you to adjust or replace selected colors using automated editing. Keep Aspect Ratio keeps the original proportions of your artwork, preventing it from becoming stretched when the size is changed. Choose the required width or height, enter the quantity, and check the displayed price. Click Add to Cart, read the confirmation, and tick the required box. When everything you need is in your basket, continue to check out. For larger prints, use the Order Notes box on the right to tell us which areas you want raised, glossy, or produced at different thickness levels. You can also leave the notes blank and allow our design team to decide. Enter your contact details, delivery address, and payment information. Click Review Order and check your artwork, sizes, quantities, and delivery information carefully. Once everything is correct, click Place Order. Your confirmation and invoice will be sent to the email address entered at checkout, and our team will begin preparing your TPU patches. For pressing help, open the Help Center from the main menu. You can watch the pressing video, View the step-by-step image guide and find troubleshooting advice underneath. You can also use the live chat in the bottom left corner during opening hours, with instant answers available for common questions. Visit the FAQ page for information about artwork, pressing, production, delivery, and returns. For any other questions or problems, open the contact page and submit the form. You are now ready to order your custom TPU patches at tpupatches.co.uk.